Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are Korean style beef short ribs. This is a really great low carb and keto friendly recipe to make Korean style beef short ribs, and it is super duper easy because we're gonna be making them in the air fryer. It's only gonna take 15 minutes to cook this delicious recipe. Jumping right in, first thing you wanna do is start preheating your air fryer. You're gonna preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 minutes while you prep the ingredients for this recipe. If you have time, it is better to marinate these ribs overnight or for like 6 to 12 hours before you cook them. But if you don't have time to do that, just marinating them for about 30 minutes before you cook it is perfect. I have my delicious beef short ribs here. I'm going to place them into a larger dish because this will be for marinating. You can either do them in a dish, like a large dish that all the marinade will be on top of, or you can throw it into a bag if you're gonna be doing this overnight or marinating it in the fridge for about 6 to 12 hours. In this case, I'm only gonna be marinating for 15 to 30 minutes, so I'm gonna be doing it in this dish. For our marinade, I'm gonna include all of the measurements in the description below, but let's start with the first ingredient, which is going to be our rice vinegar. Now you might think rice vinegar has carbs. It does not. So rice vinegar. Next, I'm going to add some sesame oil, coconut aminos. If you don't want to use coconut aminos or you don't have coconut aminos, a low sodium soy sauce will work as well. And now for our dry seasonings, it's going to be ginger powder, cayenne, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, monkfruit, and a heavy pinch of salt. I'm just going to mix this all together with a spoon. Once your marinade is ready, take it and pour it over your ribs. With a glove, I'm just going to massage it into the meat. Like I said before, you can either cover this with plastic wrap if you're gonna let it sit for a couple of hours, or if you put this into a Ziploc bag, just throw it into the fridge and let it marinate. I'm just gonna let this marinate for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and I've preheated my air fryer for 4 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you wanna purchase the tasty air fryer that I use, I have my discount code in the description below. I'm gonna take some beef tallow spray. I love this one by South Chicago Packing. Not sponsored, but it's a really great product, especially if you're cooking with beef, ribs, steak, anything like that adds so much flavor. I'm just gonna take it and spray the bottom tray. And I'm gonna take my short ribs, make sure I have that marinade on there. And you're going to place it into the bottom of the tray. Just as many as you can fit in your air fryer tray. I'm gonna throw this back into the air fryer. We're gonna cook for 6 minutes on the first side. After 6 minutes, you're going to flip your ribs. So I'm gonna flip them over. And then with a basting brush, you're gonna take some of that marinade and put it on top of the second side of the ribs. Let's throw this back into our air fryer to cook for another 6 minutes on the second side. And here we have our delicious Korean style beef short ribs. I did end up cooking them a little longer than 6 minutes on the second side. I cooked them for about 8 minutes just to let it get a little darker. Honestly, you can cook it as long as you want. I like my beef short rib a little bit on the darker side, so that's why I left it in longer. I cannot wait for you guys to try this one. It is high protein, obviously because it's the beef short rib. It is low carb and keto friendly, has that delicious Korean style flair to this. And I like to pair it with some kind of like mayo based salad. I like to just do a peas and carrot with a little bit of mayo, salt and pepper salad. I think it goes really well with the Korean style beef. Let's get a little piece of our short rib here. So tender to cut through. I cannot wait for you guys to try this one. Cheers. That monk fruit sweetener is absolutely perfect for this. It just gives it a little bit of that Korean sweetness that you're looking for. Such a great recipe. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.